tonight's organic salad bowl, we have arugula, red leaf lettuce, tomato, sweet red and orange peppers, roasted peppers, broccoli rabe, Yukon Gold potato mashed with avocado and hemp seeds, topped with sprouted sunflower seeds and a little organic ACV. So we have vitamins, minerals, soluble fiber, chlorophyll, phytonutrients, carotenoids, enzymes, probiotics, electrolytes. We've got it all, especially because we've got love in our hearts. So stay in love, stay healthy, stay strong, stay in peace, practice forgiveness, and have a salad. We'll see you soon. Let's taste this first. Absolutely. We sprinkled some cayenne, coriander seed, fennel seed, fenugreek seed, and red sea salt. Take care for now. Bye-bye.